So, can I get you anything else? Coffee, dessert, morning after pill?
Dessert. Dessert.
Coffee, dessert, morning after pill?
I once made love to a young Angela Lansbury in a booth just like that. Murder, she wrote, more like
Murder. Murder.
murder, she wrote, more like.
Because who doesn't?
Where your face gets red when you see him and you suddenly act like nice person.
Suddenly. Suddenly.
And you suddenly act like nice person.
Johnny, here's your stale cake and burnt coffee.
Just how I like it. What do I owe you?
It's on me.
Oh. Oh.
Just how I like it. What do I owe you?
It's on me.
Just how I like it. What do I owe you?
It's on me.
You wish it was on you.
Wish. Wish.
You wish it was on you. I am a genius at organizing things and getting them out of the way. I recently lost all my money in the promise of a bright future, and I've organized.
Promise. Promise.
I recently lost all my money in the promise of a bright future, and I've organized. Will do not open until you are stronger. If I can handle that for myself, I can certainly handle a stranger's light filing.
If I had known,
File. File.
Certainly handle a stranger's light filing.
if I had known,
This is so romantic. Jumping over the back wall to drop down and see you in the middle of the night. It's very.
Niddle. Niddle.
Drop down and see you in the middle of the night. It's very.
So I thought I'd stop in and say, hey.
hey,
So, Johnny, you just saw our light on from the roof nearby? Interesting.
Nearby. Nearby.
Just saw our light on from the roof nearby? Interesting.
Flying solo tonight. My lookout guy went into rehab. It's kind of a pain. It's really a two.
Pain. Pain.
It's kind of a pain. It's really a two. Flying solo tonight. My lookout guy went into rehab. It's kind of a pain. It's really a two-person operation.
Operation. Operation.
Two-person operation.
It's a bad reality show.
hey, that is a great reality show.
But it's not good reality.
Reality. Reality.
It's not good reality. It's not good reality.
The only thing I love more than hoarders are people who are too fat to fit through doors.
Fat. Fat.
Hoarders are people who are too fat to fit through doors. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? They should charge admission for this.
Admission. Admission.
They should charge admission for this. It's hard to tell what is what. It's either an old shag carpet or a mass grave of dead Muppets.
Grave. Grave.
Carpet or a mass grave of dead Muppets.
By the papers!
Which papers?
The papers near the papers!
Near. Near.
The papers near the papers! It's not that bad.
Not that bad. I was hired to organize some papers.
Organize. Organize.
I was hired to organize some papers.
Please tell me he needs to be buried in a piano box.
I don't know. I can't see him through the truck.
Truck. Truck.
I don't know. I can't see him through the truck. Okay, we'll get to work then. Okay, let's not get overwhelmed. We'll take it one step at a time.
Step.
step,
We'll take it one step at a time. Be home at 11 a.m.
Oh, Max, you got protection.
protection, protection,
Oh, Max, you got protection.
Can we take these masks off now?
mask, mask,
Can we take these masks off now?
All right, now for the most crucial part of the art process.
crucial, crucial,
All right, now for the most crucial part of the art process.
Yeah, she's a bitch. Always shoving her stuff in your face.
shove, shove,
Always shoving her stuff in your face. Yeah, that's a crappy time.
Maybe he didn't want to make a move because he doesn't know you like him.
I leaned in. I leaned for a kiss.
lean, lean,
I leaned in. I leaned for a kiss.
Because he doesn't know you like him.
I leaned in. I leaned for a kiss.
Maybe you had a breath situation.
breath, breath,
Maybe you had a breath situation. I wouldn't kiss Ryan Gosling with stomach breath.
Yes, I would.
I'm finally making progress on the papers.
progress, progress,
I'm finally making progress on the papers.
I haven't even seen him yet. I love this show.
Douglas, if you're comfortable with me,
comfortable, comfortable,
Douglas, if you're comfortable with me,
I haven't even seen him yet. I love this show.
Douglas, if you're comfortable with me selling all this sort of valuable stuff on eBay,
stuff, stuff,
with me selling all this sort of valuable stuff on eBay, I don't know. Why didn't you kiss him? You obviously like him, right?
obviously, obviously,
You obviously like him, right? There's one box of Butterfinger wrappers gone.
What?
Douglas, it's a metaphor.
metaphor, metaphor,
Douglas, it's a metaphor.
Rumor has it that you had your heart broken.
I didn't have my heart broken.
And that's why I don't listen to rumors.
rumor, rumor,
And that's why I don't listen to rumors. And that's why I don't listen to rumors.
Max, I want to announce I have ended my bromance with
announce, announce,
Max. I want to announce I have ended my bromance with
Food! Hey, better make sure he doesn't have a girlfriend who's beautiful, black, and British.
British, British,
Girlfriend who's beautiful, black, and British.
Look, Max, I didn't know you were gonna come into my life. I didn't know I was gonna have these feelings for you, but all of a sudden, it's Max all the time in my head.
sudden, sudden,
But all of a sudden, it's Max all the time in my head.
Johnny, I just spent 2 days wading through someone else's garbage, and quite frankly, I don't have the time or the energy to.
frankly, frankly,
Quite frankly, I don't have the time or the energy to. You think a squirrel holding an acorn is beautiful?
He didn't touch you or kiss you because he didn't want to start a relationship with you out of a lie.
lie, lie,
Relationship with you out of a lie.
But now I'm gonna go home and kill myself. I don't think romance is in the cards for me. I give guys blue balls, not broken hearts.
ball, ball,
I give guys blue balls, not broken hearts. I give guys blue balls, not broken hearts.
Oh my God. Don't kill yourself yet, Juliet. I definitely think romance is in your cards.
romance, romance,
I definitely think romance is in your cards.
That's not me.
That's not his girlfriend. Come on, will you at least admit that that's you? And
admit, admit,
come on, will you at least admit that that's you? And then
I dare you to organize that thought.
there's no one cooler than you. You're 200 feet tall.
tall, tall,
You're 200 feet tall.